Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. So as I understand, among our farmers, the CAD analysis is more popular, and today I thought that maybe it's really makes sense to take a look at the Canadian dollar, because on the gold market, actually, guys, we have said everything on Friday video, and it's really hasn't happened any big changes with this analysis. Mostly stands the same. It's also on the gold market right now, situation stands very similar to euro currency. So as on euro, as on the gold market, it's also on intraday charts, reverse hand shoulders is forming. On the gold market, we have discussed the washing rinse on daily chart. His major OP has been hit on Thursday. So it's also we expect some upward bounce on the gold market. But in Canadian dollar, it really could give potentially very good trades with the big results. So because they mostly stand on the weekly and monthly, or maybe weekly, daily time frames. So to understand all the situation in complex, it's better to read the weekly research, because there you will understand what we have on the monthly and weekly chart. But since this is the daily video, here we will talk only about the daily trade that could be done on the Canadian dollar in nearest future. But this trade, guys, will be just a preparation to the potential trade on the monthly chart. So because these are projection that you see right now on the daily chart, we treat just as a retracement on the point where the major bearish trade could be taken on the monthly Canadian dollar. So as weekly trend, as the daily trend right now on the Canadian dollar stands in buy mode. So you can see MACD stands upward direction, shows the bullish trend. On the daily chart, hence we will be watching for opportunity to take the long position. Next destination point based on the daily chart, but it also has relation to the monthly and weekly analysis, stands here. It's XOP targets 131.60 approximately. Right now, guys, market stands at the major OP. So you can see this A, B, C, bottom. OP target has been met. And this market also stands very close to daily overbought. As we expect the same retracement on other currencies, on the euro, on the Great British pound, so it means that the Canadian dollar hardly will become the exception, and probably here we also will get some bounce to the downside. In this area, guys, we do not have any valuable fib levels, strong fib levels. There was the 3.8 fib level, but it already has been tested, mostly has been broken to the upside. So here mostly we have just a consolidation to the left side. This will provide the natural support resistance area as well here. And taking into consideration the harmony of this consolidation, you can see the lower bottom of this consolidation stands approximately around 2650, 2660 area. So it means the chance that market will retrace down to the confidence support are not really bad. So it really could happen. At the same time, guys, weekly analysis tells us that retracement should not be too significant, because major retracement already has happened here. And that leads us to conclusion that probably we should keep an eye on either this level, 27.35, or this confidence support. This is most probable two destination points of the possible retracement down. So here we need to search chance to go long in the Canadian dollar. I mean on the chart, go long. On Canadian dollar it will be short. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have another reasons why a market could show retracement here. Take a look at this final leg, or CD leg of this large ABCD pattern. Inside of it, you also could recognize minor ABCD pattern. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, it could be seen better. You can see this perfect ABCD pattern. It's very harmonic. Market also has met the OP target on Friday, and take a look. The intraday chart has turned to the sell. So 4-hour chart also shows that around 27.37 we also have the confidence support. So on the daily, we did not see it, or better to say, I could plant here another reaction from this reaction point, another levels, but it's better on the 4-hour time frame chart. It looks better on the 4-hour time frame chart. So here we have the confidence, and here we have the confidence. So that just confirms the idea that probably we should keep an eye on either on this level or on that level. Currently, guys, retracement has not started yet, so we do not know what shape it will take. Maybe here we will get some kind of the head and shoulders minor, head and shoulders pattern, and we'll get some kind of the ABCD pattern, something of that sort. But that is two level that to watch for as potential destination points for taking long. Personally, guys, I would suggest that maybe this level is even more probable than this one. Also, another important tool, guys, here is that existence of the two confidence supports in relatively close area lets us to combine them for entry and placing the stops. So lots of different scenarios that you could follow. You could take the position here, placing stops below this confidence, or initially below that confidence. Market will start bounce up. You could move it below this area. So it's a lot of combinations that you could use, and Judd Napoli describes this in his book when he talks about the entry technique. But when you have the two confidence supports, it gives you a lot of advantages for working with the orders. So finally, if you're a scalp trader, you probably could watch opportunity for taking the short position here as well. That's not forbidden, of course. But since our trades mostly stands on the daily weekly chart, we're focused on the long positions, and because that's our primary scenarios. But here as well, as usual, in the retracement, you could try to take the position, but just to not marry with this position, probably the destination point will be this first confidence support area. So you can see, when you read the weekly research, when you understand what we have on the monthly and weekly chart as well, and combine what you see in the video, you understand all the pressures of the situation on the Canadian dollar right now. So let's see how it will develop, and let's keep watching on entry points that we have specified here.